They feel we have not done enough. Now, when you have a mother on the operation table and she's bleeding, and you want the kid, but you also want to stop the bleeding, the most emergency important thing is to stop the bleeding. The bleeding now of West Nile is that Electromax cannot run its generators to supply the power in the meantime. Two, the turbines of Nyagak that Engineer Abdon is reporting here that are being worked on is not true. I have these documents here. These two documents are invoices, one from the manufacturer, the other one is from Katue. The management of Wenreko chose to deal with the organization in Katue that could not fix the turbine, and they abandoned the genuine equipment. Up to now, as we speak here, one turbine is down. For Engineer Abdon to tell us that we are generating 3.5, Engineer, I want to disagree with you on those documents. Two, Electromax has consistently failed to fuel its generators. What is the way forward? The way forward is, in our prayer number 2, we have requested that allocate 10 billion from the energy fund. Let the local suppliers be able to supply this fuel whenever Electromax cannot do it. As we speak now, Electromax has drawn fuel from local suppliers, 680 million. They have not paid. We have MTC, Meridian Tobacco. Every day it consumes 20,000 kilowatts. In a month it consumes 293 kilowatts. They have been running on a generator from 25th of July. This Ginin company Calebol was talking about, in Arua it is using 100 kilowatts every day. But because there was no power, they shifted to Naluf Kolong. Right now they are using 600 kilowatts every day. If there was power, they will be able to do it from there. These companies I am talking about, Honorable Minister, MTC is employing directly 300 staffs as we speak today. And it is providing services to 15,000 farmers. You can see the impact. So we are not disagreeing with you on the long-term solution. What we are praying for now is that let us stop the women from dying in the hospitals. Let us stop people's businesses from collapsing. Let us stop the insecurity. In the meantime, because we have been working the journey of delivering 160 megawatts with you together, and we continue to work together, we will make the commitment, but we appreciate the efforts you have made. It feels sad when you feel we don't appreciate you. We do. And lastly, I want to thank Caleb and your team, because this fight for stable and industrial reliable electricity is not only for the leaders. If you go to West Nile, Mama, if you look at the number of youths idle in trading centers because they cannot be employed anywhere, you will shed tears. I know you have a human heart. One time, take time, go to West Nile. Look at the number of youths in trading centers who are idle. If we had a stable and industrial reliable electricity, these processing plants would absorb these youths. Please, we are not quarreling with you. We have due respect with you for you. We appreciate what you have done so far. But in the meantime, let us provide fuel for Electromax generators to run so that we have stable power. And then these quarrels will, in the meantime, stop. Pairs of that turbine are not put there. That turbine was brought here in Kasue. They fabricated and they put wrong equipment. Okay? So that turbine is not working. The documents are here. The quotation from the this is very wrong. The efforts we are making. The lines which are not connected is not only West Nile. The impact of COVID did not only affect West Nile. It affected everywhere.
Be aware of it, that the power shortage, there is rationing, there is no power, because there is a presumption that there is no fuel. I want a motion. We will take an action